In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse scrolling direction on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, you want to select Bluetooth and devices. And on the right side, select mouse. And then going down underneath scrolling, you want to go to scrolling direction, click the drop down arrow, and you can select down motion scrolls down or up depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.